Hey, how's it going, guys? I have the 2011 Chevy Cruze 1.8 liter. As you've seen in the videos, we were swapping out that transmission. Sorry for the big old jump cut. We have that transmission in. Everything's running smooth. So far, so good. We got the brand new transmission lines installed, a new seal for the CV axle because I nicked it when I was installing it. So that video will come out soon. I went on ahead and I also changed the belt tensioner on this car as well as the belt. We also changed the headlights on this. Looks really good. Let me go ahead and turn these off for you. These are the new headlights. My kid Alonzo took care of that. Nice stock style, nothing crazy. This is what we have going on. Got it up and running, making sure that it gets on the road and just takes you from A to B. Stay tuned, guys. Please be sure to like and subscribe. Until then, take care. Peace.